Hi children, good morning all of you ma'am. Okay, in previous class we will discuss about exercise 1.1. First Roman, mark the period. Second Roman is mark the period and write the number name. Today class, third Roman, write in standard form. First one is 65,098. 65,098. 98. This value write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. The given value is 65,098. Which place in 6 ma? Which place in 6? Ones replace values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay. The place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now 6 place value 10,000. 6 place value 10,000. Now the value is 60,000. Now the value is 60,000. 10,000 place in 6. Now the value is 60,000. Next place, thousands place. Thousands place value is 5. Thousands place value is 5. Now write 5,000. Next, hundreds place value what given? 0. So, answer so hundreds place value 0. Next to tens place. Tens place value 9. 9 tens 90. Next, ones place value 8. Ones place value 8. Okay. This is the expanded form. The given value, write the expanded form. Is it clear, ma? Once the 65,098. 6 place value 10,000 place. Now write the value is 60,000. Next, thousands place value 5. Now write the 5,000. Hundreds place value 0. Right? 0. Tens place value 9. And hence 90. Next, ones place value 8. Right? 8. This is the expanded form. Okay? Next, second one 10190,456. This is the value. Now write the place values, ma'am. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. Okay. Place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now read the value is 1,90,456. Now read the value is 1,90,456. Now write the expanded form. Ones place in lakhs. Ones place value in lakhs. 1 lakh, how many zeros, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones read ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. In lakhs place 5 zeros. In lakhs place 5 zeros. 1 lakh. Next place value 10,000 place. Thousands place 10,000 place value is 9. Now 90,000. Now the value is 90,000. 90,000. In 10,000 place, how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 10,000 place, 4 zeros. 90,000. Next, thousands place value given 0. Thousands place value given 0. So write 0. Next, hundreds place value 4. Hundreds place value 4. 400. 400. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. In hundreds place add 2 zeros. The given value add 2 zeros. Next 5. 5 is tens place. 5 tens 50. Tens place how many zeros are there? 1 zero. The given value add 1 zero. Next ones place value 6. Ones place value 6. This is the expanded form. The given value, write the expanded form. Once Sima. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now read the value is 1,90,456. Now write the expanded form. One is lakhs place. Now write 1 lakh. 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. The given value add 5 zeros. In lakhs place value add 5 zeros. 1 lakh. Next 9. 10,000 place 9. 90,000. 90,000. Next thousands place 0. Next hundreds place 4. 400. Tens place 5. 5 tens 50. Tens place. Next ones place 6. This is the expanded form. Next another exam, another one problem. See now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, read the value is 4,33,422. Now write the expanded form of 4. 4 lakhs. How many zeros add ma? 5 zeros. Okay. The given lakhs place value 4 add 5 zeros. Next 10,000 place 3. 30,000. How many zeros? Add 4 zeros. Next thousands place 3. How many zeros add ma? 3 zeros. Thousands place add 3 zeros. Next hundreds place 4. 400. Tens place 20. Ones place 2. Okay. 4 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 2. Is it clear, ma? In expanded form? Okay. Fourth Roman standard form. Fourth Roman write in standard form. First one 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 4. Okay, the given expanded form is 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 4. Write standard form. Write standard form. The given expanded form values write first digits. First one in 10,000 place value 2. Next thousands place value 4. 24,000. Next hundreds place value 9. Tens place value 2. Ones place 4. This is the standard form. The given expanded form. Write standard form. 24,000 first digits we will take. Next 924. Okay. Next second one. 7 lakhs. Okay, next one. 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 1. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. Now write the standard form. What about write standard form? The given expanded form, first digit values write in standard form. First one what ma? 1. 1 in lakhs place. Next 10,000 place 3. Thousands place value 3. 33,000. Next hundreds place not given ma. In hundreds place not given. Now write 0. In hundreds place write 0. Tens place 1. Ones place 1. Now the value is 1,33,011. Now the value is 1,33,011. Next, the third one. 5 lakhs less 20,000 less 1,000 less 50 less 4. The given expanded form is 5 lakhs 20,000 plus 1,000 plus 50 plus 4. Okay. The given expanded form values, write first digits, write first values, only values write. Lakhs place 5 lakhs. Next 10,000 place value 2, thousands place value 1. In hundreds place value not given ma, hundreds place value not given. Now write in hundreds place value 0. Now write hundreds place value 0. Tens place value 5, ones place value 4. Okay, the given expanded form, write standard form. Read the value is 5,21,054. 5,21,054. Okay, these are standard form. The given expanded form, write the standard form. Okay, is it clear ma? What is place value ma? In previous class, we already discussed about place value. What is place value? The position of a digit in a number gives its place value. What is place value? The position of a digit in a number gives its place value. Next, face value. What is face value? What is face value ma? The face value of digit. The face value of digit in the number. The face value of the digit in the number. We will take one value 1, 8, 3 and 5. Second one 4, 4, 1, 7, 9, 2. Third one 270 988. Okay, see ma? The given number, write place value and face value. Place value, face value. Place value. The given number, read once, read ma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. The given number, place values is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. The given number is 3. The given number is 3. What is the place value in 3? What is the place value in 3? Ones, tens, hundreds. 3 place value hundreds. 3 place value hundreds. Bracket lo 300. Okay. Next, face value. The given number, face value. Face value, the given number also same number. The given number also same number is the face value. Next, 4 place value and face value. Now first read the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, 4 place value 10,000. In 4 place value 10,000. 4 place value 10,000. Now the value is 40,000. Now the value is 40,000. Now the face value is 4. Now the face value is 4. Next, first read the place values. Now the given number, first read the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2,70,988. Now 9 place value. Now write 9 place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. 9 place value, hundreds. Bracket 900. Next face value. Face value in 9. 9. Same number. The face value of 9 in the number 9. Okay. Which one is the given number in face value? Also same number. Given value also face number also same number. Okay, Nama, is it clear? Place value and place value. First we will take one value, underline the number, place value and face value write. First 3, the given number, underline number is 3. 3 place value, ones, tens, hundreds. 3 place value, hundreds, 300. Face value, same number, 3. Next, the given number read place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 4,41,792. In place value of 4, 10,000 place. Now the value is 40,000. Face value in 4. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. 2,70,988. Underline the number is 9. 9 place value in hundreds. 9 place value in hundreds. And face value is 9. And face value in 9. Okay, Namma? Is it clear? These are today class, ma. Next, remaining problems given in homework. Okay, next remaining problems given homework. Okay, thank you, ma.